Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Josh Holcomb, and I'm the CIO for IG Tech 365. Today, I'll be talking about IT services for law firms. The legal field, just like most businesses, have IT needs that are specific to their industry and other areas that are universal. Not to get off topic, but if you like this kind of content, hit the like and subscribe below, and make sure you ring that notification bell so that you can see all of our content first. Okay, so let's get right into it. IT services for law firms can be broken down into a few different categories, like application hosting, anywhere, anytime, document access and management, and data security. Application hosting can take many forms based on the practice. So we understand the move into the cloud and offer many choices to create a safe and secure environment for your applications and data. We have public and private cloud offerings. If you host your own practice management, case management, VoIP, websites, or any other applications on a server at your office now, converting to a cloud offering can give you the flexibility to scale up or down, leave the hardware maintenance and replacement cost and time to our highly trained and certified experts, and truly eliminate the need for a physical IT professional on staff. As a Microsoft certified partner and cloud service provider, we offer a public cloud solution using Microsoft Azure. We can create virtual or physical machines along with virtual networks, security services, and backup and disaster recovery solutions, completed within hours to days and not months. I've seen our technicians create a full solution for one of our smaller legal clients in as few as 2 hours. If you don't feel comfortable using a shared server like most public cloud solutions, don't worry, we've got you covered there too. We could create your very own private cloud in the data center. This solution gives you a choice of a dedicated firewall, server or servers, a SAN for larger storage requirements, and backup and disaster recovery options with a mean time to recovery in as little as 60 seconds once started. If those services for law firms sound like a solution that you want to get more information on, simply use the links in the description below. And most attorneys need the flexibility to access their data from anywhere. We understand that having your data accessible at an offsite client meeting, in the courtroom, at the airport, or those late nights preparing for trial at home, to name just a few examples, we offer a few solutions like remote access to your cloud or on-premise environment, or a cloud-based access like Office 365 options with OneDrive and SharePoint. When considering the sensitive nature of most legal cases, security is usually a top priority. Included in our IT services for law firms, we strive to put your data at your fingertips, no matter your location. Now that you've started thinking about application hosting and document access and management, let's have the uncomfortable conversation revolving around how we protect your data in transit, at rest, and when, not if, an incident occurs like ransomware, viruses, or simply data corruption. We have your back. Data at rest is any data being stored in a location, and due to compliance like HIPAA, HITRUST, PCI DSS, we can encrypt the hard drive so that if data is stolen, it is useless, and deploy multi-factor authentication for stored data in Office 365. This is a simple process that is usually overlooked, but required for compliance. Data in transit can be accomplished by using VPN technology. A VPN is basically a tunnel through the internet that encrypts or jumbles the words using letters, numbers, and symbols. The only way to make that data legible again is the key or password provided to you by the sender, inherently protecting the data from being used, even if it is stolen. I know saying things like not if, but when you have an incident isn't confidence building, but keep in mind that it's usually not something anyone can control. For instance, could you guarantee that no one in your organization will click a link, download a seemingly harmless program, open an attachment like a Word document, or even more common, a Windows vulnerability that is exploited before the patch can be deployed? The honest answer is no. So we must prepare for the worst case scenario. We use a state-of-the-art malware and spyware platform to protect the servers and workstations, along with backup and disaster recovery solutions that has a mean time to recovery in as little as 60 seconds for the instant recovery option, while the permanent rebuild takes place in the background. In the case of a ransomware attack, you have the option to record copies of your data incrementally to get the latest copy restored that wasn't infected. Restore quickly so that you can get back to work. Now, that's all the time that we have for today. So if you like the content, make sure that you like and subscribe below. If you're interested in learning more about IT services for law firms, please check out the links in the description below. And until next time, I'm Josh Holcomb, the CIO for IG Tech 365.